Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rekt Capital and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the bull market support level and whether or not it has been lost. Has this breakdown been confirmed? Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future and let's dive right in. The bull market support level that I'm talking about is the 21-week exponential moving average, and this is a valuable time-tested level and indicator of bull market support. And as you can see here, we were able to break above it and make this curling down price action to just find support at it, even forming an early stage higher low, as you can see here. But since then, we've broken down below it, dipping to as far below to the 40s, $40,000, and rebounding from it. But we're still just below the early stage higher low, which has been invalidated at this point in time, though we can still see a spring back up above the higher low to just weekly candle close above it, and that would be a very bullish event because that not only would rescue this early stage higher low, but also rescue this major orange demand zone as a support. So that's something to watch out for. But nonetheless, at this point in time, you can see that price is just a little bit below the 21-week exponential moving average, quite an overextension below it, but tapping into a pool of liquidity here, nonetheless at the psychological region of $40,000, rebounding and very close to just reclaiming this EMA as a support. And reclaiming it as a support would be a bullish sign because that would just showcase to us that there are loads of buyers. There are loads of buyers waiting for this crash, and those buy orders have now been filled with lots of historically transacted volume just waiting for that crash to happen. And now we have that demand fulfilled, and that reaction is a testament to that. But now we just need to see follow through, further follow through on this reaction just to weekly candle close above this 21-week EMA. And if we're able to rescue this weekly higher low as well as this orange demand zone, that would be really good bullish confirmation, because that would also essentially showcase to us that this was a fake breakdown, which would give us a lot of bullish momentum from that point on, because a weekly higher low being rescued like that, and also this bull market support being confirmed as a support despite the fake down, that would be a really strong sign. But also it would contribute to the mid-cycle tendencies continuing in this bull market, because mid-cycle 2021 is very similar to mid-cycle correction of 2013, and these fake outs could be effectively that, just faking out those final shakeouts before further upside. At the moment, we are threatening to lose key support levels, but until then, we just have to watch out for that confirmation, because effectively, if we just focus on Bitcoin's price action, we've been ascending range by range. Here we saw consolidation for a few weeks, and then we broke back above to this range. But as you can see, it took Bitcoin only 1 week, a week and a half, 2 weeks max for it to just break out from this red to orange range. And Bitcoin was just teetering above this range for a while, but now we might be mean reverting and breaking back down into this range just to meander within it for a little while. And we'd probably see this consolidation inside this range right over here if we indeed weekly close below this weekly higher low, below this orange demand zone, and below this bull market support of 21-week EMA. If that happens, and to confirm the breakdown, we'd be inside this range, meandering, which is what we should have been doing a little bit earlier in this trend, but the trend was so strong that we actually overextended and skipped this range entirely. So if we do confirm a breakdown, we could see something like this, though not as prolonged and extended as this consolidation phase. But nonetheless, we could see consolidation here, however short, however intermittent, before that reaccumulation is over. Because at the same time, seeing consolidation here, well, that would be reaccumulation here once again compared to here, right? Because this reaccumulation area, or at least this accumulation area at lows, would be still lower then this reaccumulation at highs. So this would still be a macro high or low, even if we were to confirm a breakdown from here. But nonetheless, this previous range high resistance would and could be a range high support going forward. So if we confirm a breakdown from here, we're just going to try and solidify a base at the top of this previous range, and this would be a range low to this overall range just to form a reaccumulation range here. And we shouldn't expect such prolonged extended consolidation as we saw earlier this year, but in fact we should be able to see some reaccumulation before further highs. But maybe we're getting a little bit ahead of ourselves because we haven't seen a confirmed breakdown from here. In fact, we've seen a tapping of liquidity below, and depending on how strong this follow through will be, we'll be able to assess whether indeed we've broken down and confirmed a move back into this range, or whether there's still strength and hope to reclaim this weekly high low, this major demand zone, and effectively this key level right over here, the bull market indicator, the 21-week EMA. Let's see how price behaves because it's not far away from reclaiming this level. It's only a few $100s. So until the end of the week, because it is Tuesday at the moment, until the end of the week, there's still so much time for Bitcoin to just reclaim this level. There isn't much to be done for this level to be reclaimed. So it is still a possibility. We're still teetering on the edge of this bull market level, so lots can still happen, but at least we know the scenarios for what could potentially happen should we see a close above it and should we see a close below it. In any case, thank you so much for watching today. I'm Rekt Capital. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this going forward. Please like the video if you enjoyed the content and would like to see more content like this going forward. In any case, thanks so much for tuning in today. I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak to you soon.